bubble boat. One windy afternoon, Lucy, a playful little girl, blows the biggest bubble she's ever made. And to her surprise, it turns into a bubble boat. The boat lifts her into the sky and carries her on a magical adventure across the clouds. As Lucy sails, she meets new friends, Sparkle, a twinkling star who's lost her way, and Gusty, a friendly wind who helps guide them. Together, they visit a candy-striped rainbow and a castle made of cotton candy clouds. Along the way, Lucy learns to be brave when the bubble boat floats near a thundercloud. And when they have to solve a puzzle to open a starry gate. By the end of her journey, Lucy floats back home just as the sun begins to set, dreaming of her next big adventure.